Hey, fellow YouTubers. Hey, I just ordered a Panasonic Lumix FZ80 camera, and this is going to be an unboxing. So let me get my handy dandy box opener here, and let's see what we got. So I ordered this on Amazon, and of course it came in 2 days, which is good. I haven't had many problems with that in the past, so it's really, really nice just to help ease a craving when you can just get something in a couple of days. Oh boy. Oh, I didn't quite get it. Let me get it here. Okay. Oh yeah. This is nice. Oh yeah. So here it is, the Lumix FZ80. So what I wanted to do was, we do a lot of camping and a lot of birding. And so we got some binoculars a while back, and this last camping trip we saw blue heron across the river, and it spiked some fish. And I said, boy, wouldn't it be nice if I could have caught that on camera instead of just seeing it through the binoculars. And so I started doing research on what kind of cameras would be good for capturing and zooming in and capturing wildlife. So birds, different animals. I saw red-headed woodpecker. It would have been really nice to capture that on the camera. So did a lot of research, and this is the top camera on the market today, top bridge/super zoom camera. And so I plunked down some cash for that, and so we're going to unbox it and see what it's all about. So also in the box, I went ahead and I did some research on what I needed to store photos, and ended up with this Extreme Pro SDXC 256 gigabyte card. It's 170 megabits per second, so that's going to be way faster than what I need to make sure that I catch all the wildlife. And again, the reason this camera is the top rated camera is that it is the entry-level model that does both up to, I think it's 65x optical zoom, and it also shoots 4K video, which I thought was really cool. So let's set this aside and go into the box. Yeah, okay. Ooh. Oh yeah. So it's packaged well. It's got a little cardboard, let me set this down. It's got a little cardboard bed in there so that it really stays tight in shipping. Let's get this out. Now a lot of times electronics, when you get electronics, they come with a little bit of charge in the battery. So let's see what we get. Oh yeah. Okay, so we'll give you some shots of this camera here. Looks really nice. Yeah. And then the top has a little shoe here for external flash. Lots of nice buttons here. And then it's got quite a nice digital display there for previewing and post-viewing pictures, and some buttons. So right off the bat, it looks and feels really nice. I can hold this in one hand. I've got my thumb can reach all of the buttons here. My index finger can reach all of the stuff up here. And we're just going to put this down here and see what else is in the box. And user manuals. Okay, it's funny. So this really surprises me that there's user manuals in here, because a lot of the technology these days comes with like one sheet or one card, and with a website that you can go and and look at the product manual and reviews and all that stuff. And you can get that all online. But so I'm surprised. This is quite a thick packet here, so I'll just unbox this here. Yeah, so there's the quick guide for 4K photos. I'm assuming there's more quick stuff in here other than that, and then we've got a basic owner's manual, and then we've got that same basic owner's manual in all the different languages, and then of course your product registration. So going a little further, there's more stuff in the box below the little bed. So here is the charging adapter, the default one that comes with it. And I don't know what the milliamperes on here are. I don't have my glasses on, but we can talk about that later. We have a lens cap, which every camera should come with one of these, right? Protect your lens. Let's see here. And we've got the battery. Okay, so that's good to know. And a strap. And a cable for transferring your videos over to your computer. Okay, so let's get started here. And let me see. Most batteries, like I said before, come with an existing charge. So let's see if we can plug this battery in and get at least the first picture. Okay, so it looks like within seconds here, I found the battery compartment, right? And you just flip your switch here, there it comes. And these batteries only go in one way, and from that I can see it goes in this way. I'll pop it in. It has a positive click now, so that the battery isn't going to fall out. There's a little clasp here, if you can see that. And then I'm just going to shut the door and flip the switch over there. And immediately the camera comes on, and it asks me to set the language. I'm just going to hit OK, or I guess the menu button, and it comes up here with English, and it says please set the clock. So I'm going to hit the menu button again, and it is 2:09 p.m. Okay, and it is July 8th, 2017. Ha! Tricked you. 2019. Okay, and then we're going to set that. The clock setting has been completed. Please set the home area is now what it says. And I'm going to go ahead and set this to New York, GMT -5. Now it says that I have no memory card. So let's go ahead and insert the memory card. And of course they make these things like tanks, so you can't get into them right off the bat, real easy. Okay, there's the memory card. And it looks like it's got some blister pack here. I'm just gonna use my handy knife and cut into the packaging real quick and make it easy on myself. Okay, there's the memory card, small little thing for 256 gigabytes. Make sure, these little memory cards have little locks on them, a little lock lever, so I'm going to make sure that's off. And then I'm going to insert the memory card. Now, it looks like in a few seconds I found the memory slot, so I'm going to open that up. That's not the memory slot. Where is the memory slot? So that little slot there on the side is the compartment to hook it to your computer. So I'm going to close that back up, and I'm going to search. I'm going to open the battery compartment again, and there it is. So the memory card is right above the battery in the back there. So I'm going to insert the memory card, and again, it only goes in one way, so I can't insert it there, so I'm going to flip it over, and in it goes, and it's in, and I'm going to close the battery compartment door, and it looks like I have some working settings. Okay, so I'm just going to take one quick picture here. Easy. I'm going to hold the button so that it autofocuses, and I'm going to take it. That was pretty decent. Okay, well, stay tuned for future videos. I'm going to probably do a review on this camera. I have a camping trip coming up for a few days here, so I'm going to do a review, take a lot of photos, and then do a review on this camera and post that later. Okay, so if you like this video, there's going to be more to come. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and also hit the bell so that you get the notifications when I post a new video. Thank you, and see you later. Bye-bye.